outside, just a couple of showers. Isaac, are we going to see that for Friday and into the weekend?
Well, Friday we're expecting fewer showers, and actually this weekend for the first half of it, not looking too bad. We're going to dive into the forecast. Rain totals, once again, this afternoon kind of scattered depending on where you are. Harlingen, technically at the airport, has not received measurable rain. About a quarter inch in Brownsville, over 1/2 inch of rain falling in both Edinburgh as well as McAllen. They had some big storms roll through earlier. They've kind of developed across the border and into northern Mexico. The lower valley starting to dry out after some pretty big downpours rolled through around 11 o'clock this morning. And now we're watching areas back to the north in parts of Brooks and Jim Hogg County here. Some stronger storms may start to settle in to areas of northern Star and Hidalgo County in the next hour or so. But really across the valley, the heaviest rain is settling in between Alamo and Weslaco this afternoon. None of this is severe and no flood concerns for this part of Hidalgo County, but just across the county line into Star County there remains a flood advisory for a few more minutes. 80s back in the lower valley and the island, and where it's been steadily raining for the last couple of hours, in the 70s for places like McAllen as well as Weslaco. 70s tonight, an isolated shower, your chance of rain 20% after the sun goes down. Tomorrow's rain chance 40%, so not as high as today. Highs reach the upper 80s with scattered showers moving through. This is a look at Futurecast. You can see just not quite as many showers expected, but there will be a few, especially during the afternoon hours. And then we're going to get a chance to likely dry out getting into Friday, or into Saturday, I should say. As we look at Futurecast here, besides the island, we could be almost fully dry across the valley as we start to watch what could potentially be developing in the Gulf of Mexico, because rain chances will be climbing by Sunday and into Monday of next week. This area of low pressure continues to remain organized enough to cause us to think that this thing will develop soon, whether it be tonight or tomorrow or even Saturday. I do think it will happen. The latest computer models do want to drift this thing to the north and then potentially back to the west toward parts of the Texas coast. So if that track goes closer to the coast, we'll obviously have a lot of rain to deal with starting late Sunday and into early next week. We'll see that in the 7-day forecast. Other tropical news, Teddy strengthening to Category 4 intensity, winds up to 140, and it looks like that this particular system will be remaining over the open waters, though it could make a pass on the island of Bermuda sometime late this weekend and then turn to the north. So again, watching that weekend forecast starting on Sunday is when we'll begin to see potential impacts from this tropical system. It's not set in stone here, but really Monday and Tuesday, so late Sunday and Monday into Tuesday would be the time frame we're watching very closely for some locally heavy rain moving through. And then by the middle of next week, we're going to start to see rain chances back off just a bit. Assuming that low starts to move away from our coast, we'll be kind of back to mid to late September norms around here, mid to upper 80s with about a 30% chance of rain. Sydney?